Assalamu alaikum class 10. Today we are going to start unit number 7, little by little one walks far. That what does it's just like a, you can say, you can understand by the topic that it's a phrase, means little by little one walks far, that slowly and gradually one learns a lot. Let's start the pre-reading questions. What do you understand by the topic? So I have explained you topic that slow and steady movement obviously is good for one's progress. Do you think co-curricular activities may prepare students for the future? Yes, of course, there is a major role of co-curricular activities with the studies. What kind of co-curricular activities do you like and why? You have to give this answer of this question of your choice. It depends totally upon you that what kind of activities you like by them. Let's start. Read the theme first. Co-curricular activities give students the chance to become well-rounded individuals. Well-rounded means actively well, active, so much active, or you can say actively participates in. Rounded means in all activities, or you can say everything, in everything along with their studies, by teaching them a variety of skills. These activities prepare students for the future. So what purpose of these co-curricular activities? That these activities prepare students for the future. Through these activities students learn about working in a group or a team. So through these activities definitely everybody gets to know that how they are supposed to work in a group or as a team to accomplish a goal, that how they are going to accomplish a goal. When students enter the workforce they will be able to call on teamwork, and definitely when they step into the working atmosphere, or you can say in their professional degree, with their professional degrees in the and any profession and leadership skills they learn, they start showing their leadership skills through their activities. So theme, what the theme is basically, if we conclude the theme, we can say that co-curricular activities are as important as the studies. Now let's start the paragraph number 1. We are going to go through paragraphs one by one quickly, so you can have a quick glimpse of the paragraph. The last couple of years I have been a long bumpy ride for me. So what the writer is going to say, basically this essay is, or you can say this writing is a narrative. The writer is telling his experience, that how he has learned and how he is going through with his studies and with co-curricular activities, and how co-curricular activities were, how much it was helpful for him in his future, for his future. The last couple of years have been a long bumpy ride for me. What he's saying, the last 2 years was a, you can say, a difficult time for the writer. They have, for everyone of my age, means when everyone was his age, so it was a, you can say, difficult time. The experience might be different, but everyone has gone through many of the same. Everybody has definitely a different experience, but he passed through the same teenage. Because everywhere is going to experience the teenage experiences are a little bit same circumstances as I have done. All of them have dealt with. So do some, everybody has to do something, you can say any work or business, them in their own way. Everybody was active in his own way as a personal participant in this game we call life. So for him life is a game, and everybody has a has his own personal participation, that how he's going to play that game. I would say I worked hard for the first place and earned it. So he is telling his experience, how much he worked hard. That is just creative view of things. So it was his just artistic sense, that how he takes the thing. It is bad, but the fact is that not everyone sees in it the same way as I do. So according to him, that everyone was no as actively participate or as serious that he was. As a student, I am an active participant in academic and co-curricular activities. He is telling his experience that when he was a student, how much he was actively participates in the co-curricular activities in through his academic period. My first priority has always been to get good grades in school. So every good student first priority is that he is going to show good marks or showing good result, good grades in school. Along with that, although this is important to me, I also know that participating in sports and after school activities, what he do, I will become a well-rounded student, a very, you can say, realistic student, or you can say very versatile. Well-rounded means versatile, a person who is actively participate in everything. During the past year of my high school career, participated and received awards in the following: Qaid-e-Azam badge in the scouting, winner of who's who quiz program at district level, and academic excellence award with the participating in inter debate competition. You can say in this paragraph he is telling that when he was a student, how actively he was participating in co-curricular activities like debates, quiz program, and what else, receiving awards, quiz shows, scouting, how he was participated in that. So what he's saying that reading club 2 years, second year as secretary reading club. So what he do, डिक्लेमिनेशन कॉन्टेस्ट एंड ऐसे राइटिंग, तो वो उसमें सब चीज़ों में पार्टिसिपेट करता था, जितने भी कॉम्पिटिशन्स होते थे तो उनमें सब में पार्टिसिपेट करना इट वॉज हिज, you can say, first priority after studies. Reading club 2 years, second year as secretary reading club and the computer club. So what he was that he was taking interest in reading club and reading, and he was also participating in reading competition, computer club. In the year 2009 I received awards in the following classes: computer application, geography and advanced algebra, trigonometry. So he got 3, you can say, awards in the following categories which we have done: computer, geography and advanced algebra. I also received an award of most encouraging student. So he was a very encouraging student. What he was a motivated, he was always motivated himself, or he always remained active in these things. I currently belong to the hiking and outdoor club and environmental awareness club. So what his activities shows that he does not put his energies into negative things. He is showing the students positive aspect of the life, that how a person can remain busy along with his studies, and if you are free from your studies, that how you can participate in different kinds of quizzes, competitions, to remain active, and you can say to remain active not only physically, and your brain also remain active. In addition, this year I participated in a program called Read with a Friend. इन दिस, सो एक कंपटीशन जो रीड विद अ फ्रेंड है उसमें उसने पार्टिसिपेट किया along with a group of other students, went to the nearby elementary school to read to a class of students from kindergarten to 5th grade. तो उसने कहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेट किया था? with his group of other friends, went to nearby elementary school. He went to the schools and he did his job over there, and he worked over there in order to gain an understanding of independence and self and responsibility. Why he was doing all these things? That when he will be enough capable, that he needs to learn that how he can be responsible in his life further. I held several summer jobs in preceding 2 years. What he is showing that he did a number of jobs. I also worked to help myself financially, and he learned how to support himself financially in a boarding school. He worked in a boarding school to support himself. My first summer and my past summer job was DK Academy. What he did was at the English Language Center. My second job was McDonald's, and my past summer job was DK Academy. So he is telling you that how he spent his free time, how he just use his capabilities, or you can say abilities, and he learn how to work with others, and he learn how to work, and he learn how to earn money even. I'm thankful to all these institutions for these jobs experiences. They have prepared me mentally and financially. So all these things telling the students who are in teenage group that how they can utilize their time, not to waste their time on nonsense activities, or you can say that such kind of activities that are not healthy or useful. This is important in a way that I am now more mature as possible. And with the participating all these things, and when you start showing your responsibilities and you're taking interest how to earn money and how to support yourself financially, definitely you will be more mature and responsible and realistic. I'm glad that I have got a taste of what the real world has to offer. Have learned many lessons from my public high school. So he was getting ready to take admissions in public high schools for boarding schools and all these, and he was really thankful, and he was really glad with his experiences to work with these institutions. Reading I am now ready to learn many more lessons through my college experience, although it has been tough. So he was preparing himself for the future, that how he can get into step into the future and how he can work more hard. Although it was difficult, it was not easy. I have years to come with my college education. I am prepared to excel and make it much further in the years to come with my college education. He was getting prepared himself for the college education. This developing positive outlook became successful and never gave up. So he never gave up. He keep on working, keep on trying everything. He carried on in his life when I am determined to achieve. So this is shows that a person when you are entered in your teenage, you should be enough determined. You should decide what you have to achieve in your life. I shoot for the moon and land amongst the stars. So he set his targets and he moved forward from his target. So this lesson is really very effective, or you can say very good for all the students who belongs to class 10th, that how they have to set their goals. This is the high time that they have to prepare themselves for their future degree and their future education and future goals. Okay, thank you so much.